Steve Nomura in Chicago. Eventually, we completely finished this huge rehabbing project. This property is located in Portage Park neighborhood in Chicago. This property has big 5-bedroom and 4 bathrooms. Originally, this house is one-storied house, but we chopped the attic and we added the second floor. And then it became gorgeous, big 5-bedroom, 4-bath, single-family home with a completely finished basement. It took a little bit of time, but I'm very happy to tell you this gorgeous house is completely finished. I can show you inside.